When you search for a WordPress booking plugin or appointment scheduling tool, what you usually need is a way to manage services, staff, and time slots directly on your site. Amelia does exactly that. And in version 8.5, it goes further. You can now set dynamic pricing by time of day or day of the week, secure logins with Google reCAPTCHA, and offer cleaner, more customizable booking forms. In Amelia, you can set up services, define working hours, and assign employees to different locations. Customers then book online through a mobile-friendly form, and payments can be collected instantly using PayPal or Stripe. Version 8.5 adds dynamic pricing, where rates change depending on time or day. For example, you can set lower prices in the mornings, higher on weekends, with the calendar highlighting each in different colors. Google reCAPTCHA on both employee and customer logins, protecting your booking system from spam and unauthorized access. Mailchimp Integration, letting customers subscribe during booking so you can build an email list effortlessly. Smarter booking forms, where you can choose layouts, filter services by category, and adapt availability automatically based on employee and location. And small improvements like employees managing their own appointments and unlimited API key expiration that make daily use more convenient. If you're looking for an appointment scheduling plugin for WordPress, Amelia gives you a complete booking system inside your site. And with version 8.5, you now get flexible pricing, stronger login security, and smarter forms. Practical updates that make managing appointments easier for you and booking them simpler for your customers.